Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be making some cheesecake. I'm gonna tell you something I never baked before, except for some little cake mix, and I not even ever use one on it'll mix so much less a mixer. So that should be fun. So yeah, I'm actually not going to bake it. It will be a no bake cheesecake, as you can see from the title. So yeah, I have my ready-made pie crust, and I have my cherries and my cream cheese. I have 16 ounce to 8 ounces. I have Greek yogurt to replace sour cream. It's a what they call it, a substitute, because the supermarket never have sour cream. I have heavy whipping cream, some vanilla concentrate, cornstarch, lemon juice, and granulated sugar. So I can whip up now. I say yeah. So I'm just going to add my cold whipping cream, because I didn't say I'm going to whip if it not cold, well cold. So this is 1 cup of well cold whipping cream. And now for the fun part. This fun. I know say so nice for angle. It's fun. Trust me, I never use them something here. Even when I use cake mixes, I like a fart me use and whip. So yeah. And them say bring it to stiff peaks. I always see on TV, and this is what it looks like, I guess. It looks stiff. So yeah, I just add the cream cheese, 2 blocks of 8 ounce. I'm adding half a cup of granulated sugar. And just mix, but further down I'm gonna add like 1/4 cup of more granulated sugar, because it never have, it never sweet enough. Not that I want it well sweet. If you use this amount, you'll probably have to use more if you are a sweet tooth person. So this is me adding the extra sugar. As I said, this is still not sweet. This is based on my taste. I don't like nothing too sweet, so maybe you would have to add more or less if you even prefer something more fresher. And that I did a while ago, I scrape down the sides, because when you're a bad baker. But me not bad baker, but just I try to think themselves scrape down the sides. So yeah, I'm going to add like a cork or some of the vanilla concentrate and the yogurt, which is a 1/4 cup of the yogurt, the Greek yogurt plain, and the lemon juice about, it's 2 teaspoons, yes. And now I'm just blending this nice for angle. So yes, this is how it's looking, pretty. So I'm just adding the whipped cream, and then some of fold it in. If you don't fold it in, them say it go soupy and don't set. So I'm gonna try fold it. I'm never fold not more than clothes. I mean yet fold clothes. So yeah, let's see if we can get this. So I'm just fold it in. I saw them fold in. I don't know. Any baker out there can tell me if I saw them fold it in. So yeah, just doing this. Look nice. Please set and don't be soupy. That me not like with this pastry baking, too much science, man. You have to be precise and whatnot. But I guess I will get the hang of it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna add it to my like a pie crust. I'm just spread. But it's like give me a warm time. I'm gonna think I full it up too much, I have to go crepe off some. But anyway, I'm gonna come in with that little something I will see them I use. Hey, me a professional watcher. Professional. Look at smooth, but wait, this is easy for use. Then how do that go on like it's complicated? Watch it. Look at it. Novice, look what I do. Nicey. Anyway, I'm gonna finish it up. It look nice. I'm gonna put it on the fridge. Them say it will set within 8 hours to get it real good. 12 hours, but this did left about 24 hours, just to be sure. So yeah, let me tell about this. Me did for use water, but then me say no, I want something flavorful. Me never have no juice like cherry juice or so. Me say I'm gonna use one lemon beer, and that I did. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you, it tastes every minute. Me have to go in the fridge for something nice. Me just add some sugar. At this point, you will have to just make it for your taste. Add in some lemon juice, and you know, make it to your taste. I prefer it more on the tart side, so I'm going to make it tart. And this is me adding some cornstarch to thicken it up, and just adding gradually and let it cook out and thicken. This is the consistency it has. Think I can work with it. So yeah, it's some with my Merlot and my Don Simon. I'm tell her, I did watch it. I try to do like the bartender that I try put out the two one time and make it even up, but it never work. So anyway, I put it on the fridge. It's the next day, because you know you can't put add something on the cheesecake, it's gonna melt. However, when we put it on the fridge, it get like a thick up. I never do want add water to it. Some I never do want add more beer. I do want go extra. So I just add like a Merlot and like a Don Simon. Yeah, and then we just add some more lime juice, because as my summer wanted tart. I know I like a saltiness there. So yeah, 24 hours after, this is what it's looking like. Time to decorate the cake. My thing is, I should have probably just made the graham cracker crust from scratch, because now I have a hard time getting it out of this. And when I pull it apart, the crust look like it's a crack. So well, this is how it is now. I mean, the bottom of the file still on, could come out, but yeah, I'm just try decorate it. You see me? So I come in with my whipping cream, feel like I want decorator, but then I just go play and I realize, but then I get no style, so I start and you know, get like a style. But the whipping cream just melt so fast, everything start, you know, look ill-shaped or deformed. But it can go on my first try. So yeah, guys, this is how it's looking. Let me tell you, the sauce nice. And the cake itself, I like the texture. It's not too dense like when it have been egg, you see me. And it's nice. It have the light like a vanilla taste there. Yeah. So anyway, guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye bye.